Hey guys, today we're going to be looking at the Galax Hall of Fame RAM. It's a total of 16 gigs. It's DDR4, 4000 megahertz. Here's the box here. It's pretty nice. The RAM is ceramic white. On the back we have, a couple key features that it's Hall of Fame memory is built to run at highest frequency possible. It's based on overclocking on mind and the high quality heat spreaders we have. That's what's on the back. And then when we open up the first flap, we can see just a window of the RAM, 2 sticks we have. And then let's open her up. Kind of difficult. Okay, let's do this. And it comes in a nice foam block. It's not going to move anywhere. It's protected very well, which I don't expect less from very expensive RAM like this. And you can see it here, very nice color. And let me take off one of the, what's also nice is they included this plastic tab that goes on the gold pins of the contact pins that goes into the RAM slots. It's a nice little touch just to keep it extra protected. This RAM feels very heavy. It's maybe about a pound per stick, and I'm not even exaggerating on that. You can see the little aluminum trims, the little steel trims, gives it a nice aesthetic touch. Here on the front we have the Galax logo, and we also have kind of slightly Hall of Fame logo in the middle, and then Extreme Performance on the bottom right. And that's about it. I bought this for my Ryzen system. I'm gonna upgrade it soon from my current RAM and just hope for the best.